Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening, oh no, come back, a LOL surprise egg. I got it just for you guys so we can do an amazing journey of opening another LOL surprise egg. So that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna look around. Alright, now let's get a nice open. Alright, let's open it. Alright, so now we're gonna look at this one. It says, change my hairstyle. Let's see, let's open it. Alright, so we have a pink 8. I don't know which way we open it, but we're gonna give it a 3. Big, huge push in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, let's see what's inside. So we have some things in here. I have some hair. Of course, we'll get to that later. And we have some surprise bags. A lot of them. We're just gonna dump this whole bag out. And now we're going to look through all the goodies we have here. So let's see. We're gonna open the surprise mystery prize bag. We have 3 of them we're opening. And you can kind of see them, which is kind of upsetting. But we're gonna open it. So let's open this one. We have a nice hat. It's all red. That's what we have. Next we have is the other one. And on this one, we have a bottle, a blue bottle. And we have a nice hair with some lines. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So we're gonna put that by the head, the hat, and the bottle. Now we're gonna open this one. Oh, it's kind of hard to open without some scissors. But we just got this. Okay. We finally got it open. And trying not to lose anything. And we're missing a little shoe. Okay, finally we got it out. We have these cute little blue shoes with a blue dress. So I wonder what that can be. Our doll. Next thing we're going to be opening are the hairs right here. Okay, we're gonna open this one and we can kind of see what's inside. It is pretty super cool. We have the hair in a ponytail and it's blonde. It's blonde hair. Pretty cool. The next bag we have is this bag. You can open it. And we have lots of hair in this one. So this one has 2 of these. And her hair is a little bit crazy. Kind of fixed it. This one has 2 ponytails. And I can't tell which one's the back or the front, which is kind of bad. But that's okay. I'm pretty sure it's like this way because, yeah. So those are the 2 hairs she came with. And for our last surprise is we have the doll. Yeah. We're gonna open it up and it fell right down. Oh my gosh, guys. Their head popped off of the body. Look at her. She doesn't even have hair. Oh no. Oh no. We have to fix that. We're gonna put this on her head. If I could put it on. What do you guys think her story is? Let's try to put it in. And we got it. Wow. It's kind of bad at the back, but Lou's really gonna look at her back. And look at that hair. Beautiful. And she can even put this hat on. So let's put the clothes on her. So let's get, ooh. We are going to be trying. This is where it comes to the hard part. I usually take their head off because it's the easiest part. I take their head off. I put it on the head. And then I go like this. Sorry for the background. It's not working out, guys. We almost got it. And we got it. So let's put this arm up. It's not going quite in. Alright. So that's her dress with her head. And that is her dress. And her shoes. We don't want to put them on backwards. So we have her shoes on. We have to put the other shoe back on. And voila. Let's give her a different hairstyle. And we're going to go for this one. Uh-oh. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. It doesn't look like it's fitting. Uh-oh. We seem to have a problem. The hair is not fitting quite how I wanted. And we're like really pushing down on that hair. And this would kind of fit. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Please make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys won't see the video, okay? Bye, let's go. Alright guys, so that was today's video. And let's see what her name is. So, sorry for the background again. My brother is in the background playing Fortnite, and you can collect 20 prizes. Wow, guys, look at those tall ones. I do have some tall ones myself. Adopt me. LOL. OMG. We have alright, so we have this one and this one and this one. And we have the royal bee, the lady devil, and we have a swag. But unfortunately, we don't see the one I'm looking for. I mean, we have this one, and they don't have it. So this is kind of confusing, but that's okay. But it did come with this. Oops, upside down. It came with this, and I wonder what that means. But I'm also holding it with one hand because it fell, and then the instructions. So that was today's video. She's over there, so I'll take it off. Yeah, so that's her, and she's having really fun, and I'm just gonna go put her away. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that was today's video, and we have all the cool things here that we might need.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss a single video. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!
Bye guys, see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye!